listen to me. Young barbers, entrepreneurs, everyone is your teacher. If you choose to open your mind and see it that way. Everyone teaches you. Some people teach you what to do, and some people teach you what not to do.
What not to do, yeah, that's
but they're still teaching you. Be a student of life.
Phineas and Ferb are making a title sequence.
What's up, YouTube? Everybody in the world. What's up, TrizzyFunny gang, man. Hey! Look, I'm coming out with a different video, man. The video is what's in my barber kit, my barber box that I made. Y'all probably don't know this, but I'm in barber school right now. You know what I'm saying? I paid $500 to get in this barber school. I live in Virginia. The barber school is in Richmond. You know what I'm saying? So I need a barber. In order for me to get a barber kit, I need to hit 500 hours. Right now, I'm like at 100 something. So I went and made my own barber box. This what baby right here, you know, like you get these joints from Walmart, you know what I'm saying, like them. This is raggedy right here, you know what I'm saying. This is like, I mean, it's a small box, but I mean, if you drop it, I mean, it'd be good, I guess. I don't know. You know them clippers you see in Walmart, like they come with the little box like this. Yeah, this is it right here. Yeah. So guys, I don't want to say I'm a beginner barber, but like I've been cutting hair a little bit, you know what I'm saying, like throughout the years and stuff. And I decided to go to barber school. Like I've always had the passion to be a barber, you know what I'm saying, because I have a barber that I'm really close with, like around where I live at, and he used to cut my hair all the time. He cut my hair, and I'll just ask him questions. Like I'll be so interested into being a barber, you know what I'm saying. He said he was in school for like years, you know what I'm saying. He went to cosmetology school, barber school, you know what I'm saying. Like, so, and it's really an inspiration to me. Like it really motivates me. I like when people cut hair. I just like cutting hair, man. I just love it. And every day I am literally on YouTube, looking at other YouTubers like Jay Faded. Jay Faded, he is an inspiration, man. Shout out to you, man, bro. 360 Jeezy, Chris Bascio, who else? Josh X Barber. I watched, bruh. All of y'all are nice, bruh. You know what I'm saying? And you guys really motivate me. You guys really taught me a lot. You know, YouTube is actually teaching me more than barber school, really. You know what I'm saying? So I want to do an apprenticeship, but I don't know, man. I mean, I'm already in the barber school, so I can't. I mean, I'm just gonna stick with the barber school, so I can learn like what's in the book. And you know, the Milady book. There's a Milady book that's gonna be up here or whatever like that. It teaches you about like science stuff, like the epidermis in your hand and your head, all that stuff. But look, I'm not gonna keep y'all here. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna show y'all what's in my barber kit right here. We're gonna open this joint up, man. Okay. Woo! I can't fit a lot of stuff in here. You see, look at all that kajumbo. I can't fit a lot of stuff in here, man, and it's difficult. I'm gonna get a barber box, an actual barber kit, like a barber box. I can't explain it, but the first thing I want to show you guys, matter of fact, I want to show you guys these right here came with the box. You know what I'm saying? These wall clippers, these joints, you get this from Walmart, bro, because you know they're not professional because they got the little flat wire, you know what I'm saying. So I don't use this no more, but I mean, I'll use it as a backup. I need to get more clippers and trimmers anyway. But this clipper came with this whole box. My second clipper, I have the wall magic clips. These joints are, I recommend these because they so comfortable in your hand. You see these little ridges right here? They fit perfectly in my hand, and it just, and plus they're wireless, you know what I'm saying? So you don't gotta carry no cord and stuff like that, man. You don't need no cord, man. We in 2019. What you doing with a cord, man? They got a 90-minute battery, so it hasn't died on me yet. Look, this is how it sounds. Sound beautiful, you know what I'm saying. I love these joints, bro. But I'm gonna invest into getting another clipper, you know what I'm saying, because clippers, they get hot, you know what I'm saying. So you need a backup to get like a colder one, you feel me? I got a brush, I got a hard end, and I got a soft end, you know what I'm saying. This is really helpful too. So when you fading, brush down the hairs. Always brush down the hairs, man. Brush down, comb down the hairs, man, because you always want to do that, so you know what you're doing when you fading, you feel me? Got me a simple pick, a purple pick. Got that joint, you know what I'm saying. You need to use a pick. Picks people hair got nappy head, man. People got some nappy head. You need a pick. Always keep a pick in your barber box. Got some holding spray, you know what I'm saying. Focus. This shit don't want to focus, man. It's some bullshit, bro. I hate cameras that don't want to focus. Focus, man. Bullshit, bro. And fuck it. Look, so this is olive oil firm hold spritz. So basically you can use this for the hairline and then come back with the T outliners or trimmers, whatever trimmers you got. Hit that joint. You spray the hairline, comb the hairline down, spray it, let it dry, get a blow dryer. Come back with the trimmers, pop, pop. The joint's gonna be crispy, bro. Cause these, I recommend this, or there's different holders you can use. I just use this one, but I recommend this because it gets your lineups crispy. You feel me? You know, you need this right here. This is a neck brusher or whatever. So when you finish cutting your client hair, and the client got hair on his face and stuff like that, neck on everything, man, you don't want that. Man, knock all that damn hair off. Knock that hair off the face, neck, man. Man, come on, man. You need this. If you're a new barber, you need this. This is a must. You know what I'm saying? It's a must, man. Got you a regular brush, man. You know, for the wavers. You feel me? I'm gonna get another brush. This one raggedy a little bit, but always keep a brush in your barber box. You know what I'm saying? I got that little small brush, but you can get it. This is a big brush right here. Non-brand. Some of the stuff I got for like $5, bro. So it's not that expensive to make your own box. You feel me? If you're in barber school, you don't gotta wait 500 hours to get your own barber box. Make your own, man. You know what I'm saying? Grind out this joint. You feel me? T outliners that I modify. I modified myself. I cut it into the skeleton. The reason why barbers cut the outside right here is for ventilation, for air to come out. You feel me? So it don't get hot as fast as, so it don't get as hot as fast. You feel me? And plus it's more versatile, so you can pop, pop. So you don't got that little bulk right here trying to get the hairline. So it's like precise. You feel me? I really like these. I'm going to need to get another trimmer because these joints get hot like a mug, bro. I don't know why they get so hot. I'm gonna get some new different ones, new trimmers. I might get some and it's I lied, something like that. Slimline Pros. I might get them joints, bro, for real. You know, got your zero speedo guard. Got this joint, man. This is a 1.5 guard right here. Got your 3 guards, 2 guard, 1 guard. You feel me? Y'all know the guards. You know what I'm saying? And got the comb. This comb came with the magic clips. I really like this comb. It's different. I've never seen a comb like this before. It's different. I just like it. You know. Comb the hair down, you feel me? And I got myself a regular comb. I don't know what kind of comb this is. It's hard. It's not like, it bends a little bit, but it's hard. You feel me? I mean, I have more things, but it's not in the box. You need this, guys. If you starting out barbering, get this immediately. All right. So what this is called Cool Care. Okay, you can get this at Sally's. I don't think you can get it at Walmart. You can get it at Sally's or whatever. Go to Sally's. Sally's got everything, bro. Sally's got all the barber equipment. You can go over there, bro. But Cool Care is where you finish a haircut and you know you got the hair on the blades and stuff. Wipe that hair off the thing like this with a brush. And spray that motherfucker. Oh, look, you spray it while the clipper's on. Psst, psst, okay? All right, that's all you gotta do. Spray the front, psst, spray the back. Psst. What this do is this affects the blades. So it says 5-in-1: coolant, disinfectant, lubricant, cleaner, and rust preventive. You know what I'm saying? So using this will let your blade not get rusted. You know what I mean? And it oils it, you know, feel me? So you can be ready for the next client. So you don't gotta get a client HIV or something like that. You know what I'm saying? Like, come on, man. You don't want that. You want to keep your equipment clean, man. Keep it clean. That's the best route. You don't want your equipment dirty, man. Then everywhere else gonna be dirty. You know what I'm saying? You don't want that. You feel me? It's not cool. It's not cool, man. Okay, I got this. I mean, this is not recommended, but this is a barber coat. So you put this joint on, bro, you look like a professional barber. You know what I mean? So like, My barber school actually just gave me this. So you put this on this joint. See what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get me like a customized one. That joint be good, cause my name is Trizzy the Barber. I'm gonna put Trizzy on the Barber with my logo on the back. That joint gonna be hard, bro. I'm telling you, bro. It's gonna be hard as heck. I have a cape, but I'm gonna show you what I used when I didn't have a cape. I used a freaking green screen. You know, I put this around my clients. I use a freaking green screen. Y'all know what a green screen is? It's what you use for like videos and editing and stuff like that. You know what I'm saying? Like, I had to use this long cloth. This long cloth I put around their neck like this, bruh. Bruh. It's a struggle out here, bruh. But I'm gonna keep going, man. I'm gonna keep doing my thing. This is my cape. This is my cape I put on the clients. I got this from eBay, man. Look, all this barber equipment you can find this stuff on Amazon, eBay for the cheap on the low. Just keep finding stuff. If you see one product that's like $10, I guarantee this another product the same for $5, bro. So you want to be cheap, bro. Be on that cheap side, bro, until you make it, bro. Fake it till you make it. You feel me? But look, man, I think that's all I got right now. Oh, I got a light too. So I can see, you know what I mean? It's a good investment. You need this, you feel me? Like, it be dark sometimes, so you can get fade, so you can see the fade in the head and stuff like that. Fade that joint up, you feel me? Like, get into the nooks and crannies, you feel me? Like, bro, you wanna make that fade nice, you know what I'm saying? You wanna make everything look so nice for your client, so you can have more clients coming back to you, you feel me? Even though I have no clients. But I mean, that's okay. But y'all, man, this is the end of the video. I really appreciate y'all for sticking here for me, bro. If you like this video, like it up. Obviously, if you dislike it, dislike it. If you want me to do more like barber videos, I want to start. I can't, bro. I want to be the best barber that I can be, guys. So, guys, if you want to be a barber, be a barber, man. Don't let anything discourage you. You're gonna go through struggles. You're gonna go through ups and downs. Why every time someone call me? Why every time I'm doing a video, someone call me, bro? Gosh. But look, man. What else I say? You're gonna go through ups and downs in life, man. Oh my gosh. You're gonna go through ups and downs through life, guys. My nigga, I just turned this joint off. I just turned it on vibrate. Dang. Oh my gosh. Keep interrupting me. You can go through ups and downs through life, guys. It's just all up to you how you handle it. You know what I'm saying? God did that on purpose. He put you in that situation for a reason. He want to see how you going to overcome that struggle. You feel me? Right now, I'm struggling. You know what I'm saying? I got overdue bills I haven't paid, man. I literally just got my car fixed. I had to wait like 3 weeks for my car to get fixed. I had a blown motor, bro, in my car, bro. Didn't go to work for 3 weeks, bro. No money at all. Can't pay my bills. Can't do this. Can't do that, bro. And I just been going to barber school. So you're gonna have a sacrifice. Whatever you do, whatever you want to do in life, you're gonna have a sacrifice, guys. And it's all up to you on how you take that and put in your own actions and make it work, make it succeed, make everything do what it do. You know what I'm saying? You want to be the best that you can do. It don't matter. Money does not value anybody, but money does not define you. You know what I'm saying? Living life, being happy every day. That's the main important thing in life. You know what I'm saying? So be good to everybody. So yeah, that's my barber kit, y'all. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the Shit Gang, man. I'll see y'all in the next video, man.